NSNite becoming a scientist is a proud moment for us, definitely. To drive some child into that kind of an intention, we needed that scientific tempo to be built in. Some conversation which I had with Mrs. Lakshmi Prabha, the principal of PVM School, she was telling about these infinite engineers who are doing science kit and a STEM lab in their school. So that triggered curiosity in me, and when she gave a very good feedback, we thought we can also try. And so this year we introduced the extra box for the primary students. Earlier, whatever projects we were taking up, there it was more of a puzzle game. But now what we see is small kids are into modeling something which is a live model. They are able to move it, and so they are experimenting a lot of things. To tell about NSN believes in value-based education and holistic development. We take it into focus that NSN should give an experience for every child. We always look forward for the areas of improvement.
When I saw one child doing the skeletal system, that triggered the child to do a robotic hands using the same principle and the concept. And this also triggers the creativity and the curiosity. And this also enhances the problem-solving skill and the critical thinking. So I hope if we take this kit forward, so the children will be able to understand the concepts in a better way.
In the class, we just have to read the books and write them. We get the information from them. But in the Dexter Box class, we can actually experience it in real life.
In our school, we are not only following the traditional method, each and every class we have a smart board system. Apart from that, our school is providing this excellent Dexter Box opportunity for students to apply knowledge to real world situations and discovering science through hands-on experience.
I feel so happy when I'm doing this project. So my friends also feel so happy while they're doing this project. When we don't know what to do, we will help to each other what to do.
When the Dexter box is given to the children, they assemble the kits helping each other. So a lot of teamwork is built among the children. Even a student who cannot perform well is able to perform with this Dexter box.
It's very interesting even for slow learners because it is very exciting to get a hands-on experience and it helps them to learn better.
One of my child named Hem Sharan, the same activity he did in front of their family members. Next day, his mother came told that, see, you can conduct like this activity. So it makes us feel so proud. I like Where is Your Food? It is a gaming process for helping us learn the digestive system. My favorite project was Faces of the Moon. It was like seeing the real moon. As I want to become an astronaut, this was my favorite project. I like the balloon car the most because we get to play with it all day and I learned one lesson of the air excess pressure.
We did that paper kite activity. In that, we just discussed about a magnetic force. Students are discussing themselves. See, this is how gravitational force also working. So they are interrelating the magnetic force and as well as the gravitational force. That time I realized this hands-on experience, wonderful opportunity to triggering their critical thinking to them and also in a fun manner.
I learned that how the magnet uses magnetic power to pull the metal things around it.
As Abdul Kalam had told, India lies in the hands of the youngsters. So if every youngster is getting into becoming a contributing citizen, that's a great success for the nation itself. I believe that thought process which has to come for a child towards a nation begins in the school. So every youngster should become a nation builder, and that is what India needs now, I feel. Ultimately, we are very happy with Infinite Engineers, the way they are supporting us, and only hoping that more and more is going to come for our children and looking forward for more progressive things to happen.